nambere na ukorwo ikiruriro kia bururi kana federa ya bururi wa Kenya ni ati timu ya bururi ya mubira wa volleyball mwena wa nyarari nio Malkia strikers nio ahotani ikerekaini ria ikumi mbitikaini cia gikombe kia mubira wa volleyball mbitika iria irathiaga nambere kuria bururi-ini wa Cameroon na one thutha wa nyarari ici gukorwo makihahithia ng'ethaniri a farao mbitikaini ya muthia na semifinal na korirwo makimahura seti ithatu cia bao gwa kibugu na kurumirira ahotani uyu Malkia reu maregwatĩrĩre tigiti ya 1-1 kunyita itemi thĩinĩ wa mbitika cia Olympic bururi-ini wa Paris mwaka ũkĩte.
In this competition and as in every other sport competition, we have 3 podiums that place which represent.
Before mimi nashukuru team kwa sababu bila team mimi singejiga leta trophy peke yangu. As a senior most and also the captain of the team, na feel niko relaxed na yani niko na raha sana kwa sababu hii trophy imekaa nje for a long period of time na tulikuwa nataka to make history, but leo make history. Nashukuru.
Victory, any achievement comes with hard work, and I'm really proud of what the ladies' commitment since we started this project 3 years ago, and they've been responding very well to the plan I put for them, I set for them, and today they showed that the Kenya is back as the top team in Africa.